Werther's Original, Biscoff cookies,
we're just going to dump these into our food processor. And we're going to grind these up. Let's get these in our bowl. That's all of our cookies crumbed. All right, I'm gonna put a little less than a cup of milk in here. I'm using whole milk. Perfect. That looks good. And we're just gonna start mixing this together to combine into a dough. All right, perfect. We have our dough to our desired consistency. I'm gonna move this out of the way for 1 second. We're gonna put down our parchment paper. Put our dough right down in the center there. And we're just gonna start flattening this out. All right, y'all, that looks perfect. Now we're coming in with a metal bowl. To this, I'm just gonna add some heavy whipping cream and some powdered sugar. Perfect. Let's get this whipped up. Perfect. Alrighty, we're just gonna spread our whipped cream here right on top of our dough. Let's get this in a nice, even, thin layer. Y'all, we're making such a delicious, easy treat today. I think you're really, really going to love this. It's a true original dessert. It's so fun. Something my grandmother used to show me all the time when I was a kid, and I can't wait to share it with you all. Alrighty, guys, now I've just got my Hershey's extra large special dark here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and grate some chocolate shavings right on into this. It's gonna perfectly complement that homemade whipped cream and our Biscoff cookies. Now, if you had a cookie chocolate bar or something caramel, I think that would be really great too. But this is what I had on hand, so we are going with it. Perfect. Now we are starting the most important magical part. I'm gonna start folding this over gently. Got our cookie dough here. One more fold. And we're just gonna start smoothing. I'm just gonna go ahead and give this a whole nice rub here, so everything gets nice and tight in there. I'm gonna pop this into my freezer overnight. Alrighty, guys, my roll was in the freezer overnight. Remember our caramel? We're just gonna place this right onto our caramel here and start transferring. We have been so inspired by Chef Amari. Maybe you guys have been seeing him on the Food Network. My mom absolutely loves him, and he is so talented as a chocolatier, and we are just doing our own chocolatiering now. All right, I'm just gonna set this in the freezer to chill for about 30 minutes. Alrighty, everyone, our caramel is ready. Now, we could have just left this for about half an hour, but I left it overnight because we weren't in a rush. We've been doing this dessert in steps, step by step, day by day, one day at a time. And we're gonna see the final result of our labor right now. Beautiful. Alrighty. Just gonna get my knife all the way through here. It is a little bit frozen. Oh my gosh, I can really see the swirl pattern. That looks gorgeous. Oh, are you guys ready for this? Doesn't that look awesome? Oh my goodness, I can't wait to give this a try. I feel like it's gonna taste like gingerbread. This is so easy, so good. You've got to try it. I will. I'll try it. You want to give it a try?